Dear students, welcome back to the chapter Statistics. Hope it's a wonderful day today. Let's move on to a few questions to practice how to organize a raw data in a table. The blood groups of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. You know, the blood groups are A, B, O, AB. And we, of course, we have positive and negative, but disregarding the signs, positive or negative, this is how it is recorded. Now we have to arrange them in a frequency table. So this is the first part of the question. And then we have to analyze the most common blood group and the rarest blood group. Let us organize it in a table with the blood groups A, B, AB, and O. So we have A. How many A's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can either make it by a tally mark or directly the frequency. Similarly, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 3 ABs only and 12 O group. So altogether we have 15, 18, 30 students. That's the first part of the question. Second part is, what's the most common blood group? Most common blood group means we choose the highest frequency, which is 12, correspond to group O. O. Rarest blood group from this class is AB. Let's see the next one. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. These are the data of 40 people. Construct a frequency distribution table. So first of all, we make the table of size 5, starting from 0 to 5. What main features do you observe from the tabular representation? So this will be the second part. So first, let's see the table, starting from 0 until the highest number is 31. 32 is the highest number. So until 35 we need, and we organize it again. It's better to organize using a tally mark. 5, 19, 7, 12. 5 should be here, not in the upper limit. We have to choose the lower limit. So 5 will be in the second group. 19 will be here. 7, 12. This will be how it looks after completing the tally mark. Now let us write down the frequency. 11, 11, 9, 1, 1, 2. So altogether it will be 13, 14, 15, 40, which is correct. So first part is done. Second part is, what main features do you observe from this tabular representation? Main feature is that towards the end, the number of people whose house is far away from 20 is rare. From 20 to 25, only 1. 25 to 30, only 1. 30 to 30. So we can group the first 4 groups in one set. So we can find that these are 4. So 36 engineers' houses are within 20 kilometers. So 36 out of 40 engineers' house are within 20 kilometers from the work site. Let's see the next. The relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days was given as follows. Construct a frequency distribution table starting from 84, and each interval should be of 2%. That's the first part. Next is, which month do you think? Means if the humidity is high, it will be a rainy season, and if it is less, it will be summer season. We have to see which season is it. What's the range of this data? Range means the large value minus least value. Let us organize them in the table first, 84 to 86, and the highest value is 98. 99.2 is the highest, so 100 is the maximum. So 98.1, it will be here. 98.6, 99.2, 90.3 will be here. And when we complete the tally mark, this is the tally mark, and let's write down the frequency. 2, 2, 7, 6, 7, 4. And let's check the total: 11, 17, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30. So this is the table. And the next question, it's above 90 is more. So since the humidity is high, it represents rainy season. Next question, what is the range? Larger value is 99.2 minus the least value is 84.9. So when you subtract, we will get 14.3% is the range. Let's see the next question. The heights of 50 students measured to the nearest centimeters have been found to be as follows. So there are 50 students. Represents the data with an interval of 5 units in between. So let's see the table. The least value is 150 and the highest value is 173. So we can start from 150 to 155, 155 to 160, all of them in centimeters, 160 to 165, 165 to 170, 170 to 175. That's enough because 173 is the highest. Now again, we can arrange the tally mark: 161, 162. It will be here. 153, 154, 153, 154, 161. So this is how it looks in the tally mark. And the frequency will be 12, 9, 14, 10, and 5. And the total will be 15, 29, 38, 50. That's the first part. What can you conclude about their heights from the table? Less than 165, we have 26, 35 people. So most of the students are less than 165 centimeter in height. Let's see the next question. A study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million. This you might come across this one, parts per million, ppm, of a certain city. The data of 30 days are given here. Make a table starting from 0.00 and with an interval of 0.04. So let us complete the table here. 0.03 will be here. This is the tally mark. And let's write down the frequency. 499,242. And the total is 8, 12, 21, 30. So first part is done. For how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11? It's better to take the value from the raw data. More than 11, so we have 1. Concentration of sulfur dioxide was more than in 8 days. Let's see the next question. 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the data above. So we just have to make the table of value 0, 1, 2, 3. Zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the total is 15 plus 15, 30. That's all. We are done. Question 7. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. This is also a reminder about the value pi. We have seen that pi is an irrational number because it is never repeating and it is never ending. It can be continued millions and millions of numbers after the decimal. We have to see the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. So let us organize them in a table. Zeros, how many zeros do we have? 1, 2. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the values that we will get, and the total will be 29, 33, 37, 42, 50. What are the most and the least frequently occurring digits? So most frequent digit is highest value is 8, 9, and 3. Both values repeated 8 times. And least frequent digit is 0 because it is repeated only twice. Let's see the next question. 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched TV program in the previous week. The results were as follows. Make a frequency table. Class, one of them is 5 to 10. The least value is 1 and the highest value is 17. So we can organize a table from 0 to 5 until 20. So we can see that 1, 10. Remember, 10 is not in the second group, 10 is in the third group. 3 will be here again. So this is the tally mark, and let's see the frequency. 13, 5, 2, and total is 23, 25, 30. How many children watch TV for 15 or more hours a week? 15 and more is from 15 to 20, which is only 2 people. Only 2 students watched TV for more than or equal to 15 hours per week. Let's see the next question. A company manufactures car batteries for a particular type. The lives in years of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows. Construct a frequency distribution table for this data using class interval of size 0.5 starting from 2 to 2.5. The highest value here that can be noted is we have 4.6. 4.6 again. So 4.6 is the highest value. So we can end by 5. 2.6 will be here. 3.5 will be here. 2.5 will be in the second table. Have a note of it. 3.5 will be in the fourth row. This is the tally mark, and let's write down the frequency. 2, 6, 14, 11, 4, and 3. The total is 15, 18, 22, 32, 34, 40. The total will let us know like we have missed any value or not. That's all for this exercise. See you soon.